Hello guys, RandomIslandNorm here. Today I'm in the woods with my buddy Johnny.
How'd you know?
Good. Anyway, I'm using this camera to film this episode of RandomIslandNorm, and this camera's an M50. Is a pretty decent fine bit of kit. Anyways, yeah, today we're gonna be walking to a waterfall, and behind me is this wood camp, or one of them I should say. Anyways, hope you guys liked the video and enjoy the scenery and the walk. And guys, we're also here with Mia. Hey Mia!
Come on.
Alright, let's go see this waterfall. Haven't been there yet. It's my first time. Well guys, it's pretty icy in the woods today. Actually, it has been for a while, but there's a little layer of snow on top of the ice, so it's hard to tell where the ice is to. Yeah. Well, it's definitely a bit icy. I survived! Barely though.
Come here. Come on.
Man, it's really icy. Yeah, one clean on too. Obstacles. Well guys, I think we're getting pretty close to the waterfall. I don't know if you guys can hear, but I can definitely hear it in the background. Man, it's really icy. That is for sure.
Slide down.
What?
Slide down. Shaky cam now, buddy.
Ooh, problems there. Alright guys, here's a sneak peek of the waterfall. waterfall. What an awesome spot. You know what? There's an even bigger one up above that, but unfortunately we don't have the time to get there today. So we'll definitely be back here in the future. So yeah, that's the waterfall. I mean, I almost died getting to this place. I mean, the woods is extremely icy, but I made it in one piece and never broke any bones. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway guys, I hope you all liked the video. If you did, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon up above so you won't miss more RandomIslandNorm videos. And leave a comment down below if you feel like it. And also check out my Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok pages. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.